United States Coast Guard is asking lawmakers for $1.57 billion to rebuild its operational capability. The biggest item is for nearly $140 million for an HC-130 aircraft that would primarily be used for long-range surveillance. The Sea Service says it's 3 short of the 22 in its program of record. Next on the list is $113 million to outfit and assemble 4 MH-60T helicopters. The Coast Guard has been working on extending the lives of its fleet by swapping out hulls, electrical wiring, and some components to double their lives from 20,000 flight hours to 40,000 flight hours. The Coast Guard's unfunded priorities list is meant to highlight critical efforts not included in the regular budget request. Next up, want to see a soldier control a robotic scout with his mind? The Australian Army recently released a video of its soldiers testing out a brain robotics interface, in which troops use a specialized headset to turn their thoughts into basic instructions for a 4-legged drone. The result is a little wild.
This 4-way collaboration focused on how we could create a brain robotic interface that will allow a soldier, rather than operating an autonomous system with a command console, to operate the system using brain signals. What was created was a headset that a soldier could use using the HoloLens 2 model that had an AI decoder via Raspberry Pi that would translate brain signals into explainable instructions. What's so exciting about this technology is it has the opportunity to be used with a number of different autonomous systems. We conducted 2 short demonstrations today. The first demonstration showed a soldier operator commanding an autonomous system, being the Vision 60 Ghost robot, to a series of waypoints along the ground, and this was conducted successfully.
The potential of the project is actually very broad. At its core, it's translating brainwaves into zeros and ones, and that can be implemented into a number of different systems. It just happens that in this particular instance, we're translating it into control through a robot.
Controlling combat drones with our minds. It's all happening.